Welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, NSN Media. We are going to look at a free and very powerful software to manage your PDF files, which is PDF24 Creator. But this software is available only for Windows users. You can use this software to convert different document file formats into PDF and convert PDF files into many other different formats, join PDFs together, split multiple page PDFs into pages and many more. So we will start with the tutorial. This video is divided into 5 parts. 1. Installing PDF24 Creator. 2. Converting a PDF into an image. 3. Combining PDFs together. 4. Recognizing text from an image converted into a PDF. 5. Using PDF24 printer to convert files. So we will start with installation of the software. I am going to Google and search for PDF24, and then open the first link. Then click on the download button. This will redirect me to 3 different versions of the software, which are for private, business and MSI. In this we are going to use the private one. So click on the first one. Your download will start. Either double-click on the downloaded executable file or right-click and run as an administrator. Then accept the user license agreement and follow the installation wizard. It will ask to use the PDF24 printer as your default printer. For me, I do not need PDF24 as a default printer, so I uncheck that. It will ask to fill in a registration form, but this is optional, so you can skip this. Once the installation is complete, it will automatically open PDF24 website. You can go to Windows Start and find PDF24 application and open that. This has many options such as PDF creation, file tools for PDF, compress PDF, capture screen, recognize text, and many more. We will look into some of the most common uses of this software next. Converting a PDF into an image. For this I am going to create a new Word document and just type Hello World 1 and save it as a PDF with the name Hello World 1. In the same way I will create another PDF file Hello World 2. So now we have 2 different PDFs in our folder. We can open and see they are normal PDF files. So we will convert Hello World 1 PDF to an image. So to do that, I will right-click on this PDF and go to PDF24. Then I will click on Convert to option. Here we can see there are many different file formats we can convert this PDF file into. We are going to select in JPEG. Here we can change the resolution and image quality. I am going to leave it as it is and click on Continue. This will open a window where we can select the location to save the file and the file name. I am going to save it in the same folder. So now in seconds we have an image converted from our Hello World 1 PDF. We can also use the same option to convert multiple PDFs into other file formats. This will turn all PDF pages into separate images if you select an image format. Combining PDFs together. So to combine 2 or more PDFs together, we just have to select all the PDFs we need to combine and then right-click on one of them and go to PDF24. Here you can see on the left side selected PDFs. We can rearrange this in the order we require using the arrow keys on the top. The combined PDF will be in the same order. Then I will click on Join. Then I can select the quality of the PDF. I am going to select high quality. As per the quality you select, file size may vary. Then I select the save location and file name. I will name this as Hello World 1 and 2. So now we can see the both PDFs joined together in the order we selected. Now we have a 2 pages single PDF. We can use the same option to combine other file format also to join as PDF or different types of files to join together. So we are going to select all these files together, and this include one image file also, and then right click and go to PDF24. Then go to join and then select the quality of the PDF we need. Then select the save location and file name. I will name this as Hello World All. So now we have a Hello World All PDF with 5 pages including the image also as one page. Recognizing text from an image converted into a PDF. So to do this, first I am going to create a PDF using the image file we created from Hello World 1. Using the steps we learned prior, I will convert this image into a PDF. I will name this as Hello World 1 from image. So now if I open this PDF and see, I can see this complete page as one object. We cannot select the text from here. If we try to select it, will select the whole page. Now we will see how to recognize these text using PDF24. So I will right click on this PDF and select PDF24 and then go to recognize text option, which is at the last. Then I will click on start to recognize the characters from this PDF. So I can see here on the status column it says 100%. So, next I will click on save files to save the text recognized PDF. By default, the same file name will come along with OCRED at last. So I will save it as it is. Now if I open this and see, I can select the text from this PDF. Caution, this is not the best way to recognize characters from an image. If you are using Microsoft Office, there are better ways to do this. But as a free software, this gives great results. Using PDF24 printer to convert files. So as the last part of this video, I am going to show you how to use the PDF24 printer to save files into PDF or to any other format given in this PDF24 software. So we will open another Word file and type Hello World 3. Then I am going to print. Ctrl P is the keyboard shortcut, and then select PDF24 as the printer and click on print. And then we can see the options available in PDF24 printer. We can save this as a PDF or send an email or simply view as a PDF. We will click on save as PDF option to show you a secret. Now there is a familiar window for us, same as converting PDFs. We have all the same options. Save this file as a PDF or image or any other format given here. So for this I am going to select JPEG as the format and save it as Hello World 3. The secret here is you cannot save a Word or Excel file and many other files as images by default, but using this PDF24 printer you can directly save this as images. And you can use this feature of the software in any of the other applications which has print option available. You can directly save those files into PDF or other formats using this technique. To show you one last thing to convert a Word document to PDF, I will save this Word document as Hello World 3 in Word format. Then using the same steps we learned before, we will convert this into a PDF. So not only Word files, we can use this software to convert Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Photoshop files, and many other file types into PDFs and vice versa. So I believe this video has been useful to you. And I will bring the second part of this video in which I will show how to use this software to lock, unlock, and compress PDF files and how to take the most use of this software. So see you all in the next video. If this video was useful to you, it can be useful to many others also, so sharing this video will help many others also. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good time.